What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Professors. So today I decided to do a Q&A session where I'm going to answer the questions with regards to the video where I posted loan cancellation before the drawdown, before disbursement. It seems that many of you have a lot of questions, right? So these are the questions that I got from Facebook and I'm going to read it out. So questions and statement that I find that is relevant. So the first one is from like this, bank can check in CCRIS whether the buyer got signed the offer or not. I don't think they will check again once approved, especially all agreements are signed. Okay, this question has two parts. The first part is bank can check in CCRIS, correct. The moment you actually accept the offer, the CCRIS will show A, accepted. Remember in CCRIS there's three symbols, P for pending, T for approved, and A for accepted. When you accepted a loan, whatever facility, it can be a credit card, personal loan, anything, okay, from the bank, the T, right, once approved will change to A. Same goes for your housing loan. So the bank knows that you have accepted the offer. I don't think they will check again once approved, especially all agreements are signed. They don't need to tell you. They don't need to tell you explicitly that they will check before disburse. Okay, if you read your offer letter or the bank's offer letter, right, you will see this clause. The banks reserve the right to vary your financing terms at any point, any time, without giving you a reason. Okay, that's one. And then the bank also reserves the right to actually pull the credit report anytime they want, not just during your application. This is written in your application form, your loan application form. Okay, so some banks actually they put the conditions right at the offer letter before they disperse or before even issuance an LI. Where by issuance of LI, you can actually watch my video. I've explained Affin Bank does this. If Affin Bank sees many applications, right, even though it's not approved, even though you're dropped, you're cancelled, they want you to cancel it and take it down from CCRIS before they issue a LI, which is letter of instruction to the lawyer and valuer if applicable. This is the documents that enable the lawyer and valuer, if applicable, to send in the documents, okay, to the bank to actually disburse the loan. Some banks, they put that in the clause. They say before we execute your document. Execution here in legal terms means the documents is enforced, whereby the lawyer actually send back the documents, the loan documents, together with all the other documents to the bank, and the bank say, okay, you can go and stamp. That is means executed. The loan documents is executed. Okay. So before they execute, they will run a credit check again. And if they see the credit check that you have like other housing loans or you have other loans, they have the right to actually ask you to cancel before they execute the documents. This is especially when it comes to housing loan. Remember, they cannot contravene the Bank Negara guidelines, whereby the two housing loans, the first two under individual is 90, but the next one is 70. But they can also tell you to, I want to see you cancel first, then only I execute the documents. It's stated in your offer letter. So the banker actually has to explain to you, whereby the banker don't explain to you, it's always written somewhere in your loan offer letter or in your application form. These two clauses that I just mentioned earlier. Next question sounds like this. How to cancel existing loan? My cousin applied 100,000 ASB loan where he can only afford 50,000 only. Pity him. Well, things like this happen, right? So already happened, never mind. ASB, good news to you is that ASB is easier to cancel than housing loan. Housing loan you want to cancel, that requires a lot of process and a lot of money too. So for ASB loan, what you can do, right, is to go back to the branch and say you want to cancel. I can guarantee you, right, the staff that sold the ASB to your cousin here will not be happy and might not agree to it, because you know why? Commission is affected. Just disburse now, you want to cancel, so commission will be affected. What you can do next, if the person don't want to cancel, okay, you put in the application, the person, let's just say the staff say, okay, you can see it in 1 week is cancelled and removed from the CCRIS. And then you need to pay a penalty. Sometimes you need to pay a penalty, right? So you need to pay the penalty, just pay. I don't think it's that much the penalty. Next one, right, what you can do if the staff still don't want to do, you just write into the bank. Email the official bank customer service, email and say you want to cancel. And then you have went to the branch and explain the chronology. After 7 days or 5 working days, you still have not get an answer. And then reiterate again explain again that you still want to cancel. They will assist you from there. Okay. The next question is, how is it possible if purchaser haven't signed any LO from those 4 banks except the one that he chose? Okay, let me just provide a little bit of context where this question came from. Previously, I posted a video saying that before the banks disperse your money, they will need you to cancel all the other loan applications. Like for example, let's just say you apply with 5 banks for your property, one property. Even though 5 banks approve, you still need to cancel the other 4 before the one that you chose disperse. So that's why the question comes like this. So this audience is asking how is it possible to cancel? The answer is very simple. All the banks, right, the CCRIS are linked one. That means when we key in, right, straight away Bank Negara will capture the CCRIS. So what you need to do as a purchaser, as a borrower, you need to tell your bankers, the other 4 bankers, to cancel the facility in the CCRIS. Regardless whether it's already approved or it's still pending. Pending is still counted, so you need to cancel all the 4 before they disburse the money. Or in this case, in Affin Bank's case, before they issue a LI, okay? LI to the lawyers and valuers. Before they even issue LI, you need to cancel all these 4 first. And when I see the CCRIS is already cancelled, only left one, Affin Bank, then I release the LI. I'm not sure about any other banks who does this before issuing LI. So far as I know, it's only Affin Bank. Some banks, they talk about execution, some banks, they talk about disbursement. So if you have more information, I'm more than happy to learn. Please let me know. You can PM me on the page or just leave your comments below. Share with me, okay? So that's all for Q&A session today. If you want to understand where these questions come from or provide you a better context, right, I've linked the video up here. So this is the video we're referring to. This is the video where the questions come from, where I explain about you need to cancel your applications in the CCRIS before the banks will disperse the money. Until then, this is Kenny here from Profit Stories, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.